wait a minute, this show's not about space. BobbyWolfey here, and welcome to Building an Ocean Liner. So today, I have had a thought, a real boy thought. And today, I decided to make this space into a very functional, very sexy, I don't know how to say it in fancy sentences, so let me get down to the basics. So over here, I want that stone actually. Over here, we have a line of phones for people to call anywhere in the world. So that is something that is precious and great for people. And then, give them space for that. And then, right here will be a mailbox right there, and then they have their space here, and right here, given the equal space of that, will be a travel bureau agency where you can, oh my god, don't do that, computer, don't do it. Alright, moving my microphone, sorry for your eardrums. A travel bureau, so bureaucracy? Question mark? Does that work? I don't know. But in any case, this is a perfect way to utilize this massive space on the ship. And actually, I want to kind of set back the mailbox because it's not going to need this much space. It's really not gonna need it. Da-da-da-da. Not gonna need it. So let me get this laid out, and then I'll be right back with the floor pattern of choice for this build. So on this build, we are gonna be a little tame with the roofs by just kind of doing a 2-block pattern instead of getting all funky and fancy with it, like we don't need to do right now. Oh, beautifying the planet that we live on in this ocean liner world. Ocean liner world. Ocean liner world. My Majestic Jams album is what that is from. So, and then in between we're going to go boop, boop, boop. And then it gives kind of a nice basic pattern. And then we're done. Look at this doneness, doneness, doneness. Okay, so now for the walls, I've already decided basic. I want one row of basic, sexy wooden wall, and then, which will also be the counters, because counter actions are part of life. Oh my goodness, beautifying. Don't grow up. Okay. That is a demand for all of you out there. Don't do it. It's so scary. But anyway, see, walk in this magical room, and you need to get a feel for such wonder in the world today. I want to kind of keep these the same, so it's a balanced out room. And for the rest of the walls, I'm going to contemplate, and I'll be right back. Uh-oh, I think that I got a little bit carried away in adding a little bit of wall. I put in these shelves to represent where the mail will sit and be ready for the passengers, so did it. What I want to do on these sidebars here is find some kind of design that I think looks cool, and I already hate that, so that is not a winner. I feel like sideways logs might look good. I hope. We're gonna try it. I hope. Because I never thought of using this as a wall before. And that could be a beautiful tan wall, and I think that it might be a perfect specimen. I think I like it, actually, and I think I'm gonna run with it, actually. So now I gotta kind of just build up and plop them in like an egg in boiling water. Let's see. Dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun. Ooh, are you guys excited for the casino build coming up? Ooh, this is gonna be a fun build. We get to use some fancy ideas. Ooh. Then we get to toss around the idea of having some kind of vault where the money is held or something. I don't know, but it will be magical. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Listen to the music. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm singing your music. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh. Golly goshus me. Alright, they're in there. So, counteractive. Counteract that pain. How do we like that? Is that good? Can we all accept this in our lives? Maybe. Maybe not? I don't like it. Make me sad. What I'm gonna do is do this because I'm gonna do what I classically do, and I'm going to have... Don't do that, computer. I don't know what you just did, but you did it, and I hate that you did it. I'm gonna do my classic half slab ceiling to make the ship look taller than it truly is. This seems really closed off, and I'm not sure how I like it. So the travel office might not be this. This might just be something else right here. Like I'm leaving this structure here, but we'll leave it undetermined. Maybe it's like some kind of special telegraph mail that needs to go out. Telegraph office. Even though it's the mid-1930s, I don't think anybody uses that anymore. But you never know who needs to get a little tap on, okay? Tap on, tap off the tapper. Mr. Tapper. Alright. Just gotta get these walls in, then I can work on the phones. Did it. In. Walls are in. No worries. No worries. No screams needed. I don't know what that means. 1, 2. Alright, so we're doing the phones. 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Ooh, I like it. I like it. I like it. Go away, 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 go away. I need the phones, or at least the closest thing to a phone in Minecraft, right? Am I right, or am I right? It looks like a phone. You pick it up and you're like, hey girl. Yep. It's exactly what happens in these phone stalls. So the phone stalls aren't really anything just to scream about, but you know, they're here, and yes, I will be right back. I just had a thought, and it's not good. It's really bad, and I need to rebuild this. Actually, I do. So I was thinking that phones aren't like this in about 1940. We need a switchboard to make this work. So here we go. Buy this. I'm gonna demolish things, and I'll be right back. I decided the phones go on this side and the mail goes on this side, and maybe at the end there's a telegraph office. I don't know, but I decided that these look like a phone operating switchboard in Minecraft. So that is what we're gonna do in Minecraft. I believe in it. No, the hole gets fatter for some reason when it's Oh, but you know what also looks like a switchboard? A note block looks like a switchboard. So, oh, that's better. Oh man, that's better. Oh, better. So, okay, note block it is. We have just blown the minds of everybody that was ever born, ever, by ever. So, switchboards in. Champions. Onions. Okay, so, and then there will be a counter. Where's a counter block? Right here. Stop. Okay. So our counter goes here. And then there will be chairs right here. And then I want to bring this back one. Which is great because it'll give the room more room and it'll feel freer and greater and better. It'll feel so much better. So much better and better. Alright. Yes, telegraph office. And then these will be open like that. And then, phones. Phones will be here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2. Why are we using this? I don't know. 'Cause I kinda like it. I'm very confused about it myself. I'm designing while I'm building a video. I'm building a video. Build a video workshop. Okay, so what do we think of that? 4 phones, and then it can go anywhere in the world. Each one of these is a different block. The world is very small. Really only this ship and a few other things over there exist in it right now. I'm gonna have to balance it out then on this side. Or, well, okay, no I don't. No I don't, that's superstition. Very superstitious, writing down the wall. Okay, here's the telephone. La phone. La phone. La phone, phone, phone. Okay, so we got this. And then we got this. Which I'm gonna do to the raise the roof, raise the roof, raise the roof. I guess I like this. I guess it will suffice in my way of thinking. Let's see. This wall is so plain. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'll go out it. Okay. Well, there's the telegraph. And then the mail goes here will be the lovely shelves that you saw earlier that are made of this. Go away. I feel cluttered. Okay. Like that. And then do that throughout and make rows of shelves just like this. So I'll finish up this and I'll be right back and I'll show you what I've done to the world today. So what you'll think of this so far anyway. I have an idea for the ceiling and I am gonna put beams in it. That's all I know for 100% fact is that it's gonna have these green beams. Not to be confused with green beans, which is a very common mistake. So we're gonna put this in like that, and then we're gonna put a beam up here because all the cool kids have beams these days. Let's see, just for the effect of the beam, the power of the beam, the green beam power. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. Let's see. So we got these, this, and so these. And then we go, oh my god, no! There we go. Perfect. And then in between the beams, we get these and we go, wee! And then that kind of balances the floor and the ceiling, and we like that. And green and brown always go together, because earth. And then we use a lot of earth tones on this because Minecraft doesn't give us the wondrous peach colors that I so desire, in which Cunard uses so very much. Thank you, Minecraft. If you would give me some more peach blocks, I have like one or two. One, I think, that I will consider peach. But, let's see. Let's see what we can do with this feet. Feet as in feature. Feature presentation. Presentation as in looking nice. As in nice hair, buddy. As in, buddy, where's my car? As in car. What car? I don't have a car. As in, oh. That's called a train of thought. And mine is apparently very mistaken. Okay. So, here it is. Inside, we got this, and then this is about, I don't know, the middle of the room, I guess. No, maybe not. How's that? Oh, so dark. Dark and ominous. Ooh, ooh, ooh. We're gonna actually take the worst color block and add it to this mix, because we need a light. And once upon a time, somebody said, let there be light, and it happened. And that person's name is Bob. Yep. Anyway, I'm going to get the lighting worked out, and I'll be right back, because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so I have done a little work. Now don't freak out, because it's going to be great. Alright, are you prepared? Look at this beautiful entryway first off. Look at the male box here. Beautiful. And look at the female box. Just kidding. This is the phones over here. Beautiful. And then the telegraph office straight ahead. And then if you want to get back into that area, you got to go around the corner and do this. And there we are. We're inside the worker area. Beautiful life. Doing it. Yeah. Oh, here's the operator place. Beautiful. Beautiful. And actually, I think that actually some of these need to be like in front of the operators, because they need to put calls out from people's rooms also, which is an option. So yes, this is just where you can make public calls. If you don't want to be very private about your conversation and you just want to talk about the weather, then talk about it here, because this is a public space to talk on the phone. Hello, Mom. Oh, E.T., I don't know you. Click. I don't want to talk to E.T. But anyway, here is this. And I'm going to end this episode here. I will see you all in the future. Like, comment, subscribe. Gotta go back to my space show over here. Ooh.